Welcome to part 2 of the 1000 verb challenge. Look. Look. Look at the stars in the sky. Jump. Jump. He can jump high when he plays basketball. Listen. Listen. Please listen to the teacher carefully. Cook. Cook. She likes to cook pasta for dinner. Drink. Drink. Don't forget to drink water during the day. Smile. Smile. She always smiles when she sees her friends. Walk. Walk. We walk to the park every morning. Buy. Buy. I want to buy a new book this weekend. Dance. Dance. They love to dance at parties. Open. Open. Please open the door for me. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 verb challenge. See you in the next video.